Yeah.
Customer service update from the control room at London Bridge. The Central Line is partially closed. No service between North on the track. Severe delays on the rest of the line. The Waterloo and City Line is closed. The DLR is partially closed. No service between...
It's like anxiety. I'm really hard. It's supposed to calm. I woke up with something. Yes, let's double check. So
And yeah, London Bridge has really changed the station. It used to be a little tiny hut kind of thing. And it's going to be, platform might be really hot later on. That's why you see I've got my hat and... Yeah, what's morning? Nice clean jacket. Have a nice time.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the pink one. And the pink. Yeah, pearl.
Yes.
Thing.
Yes. The plan. Cannon Mansion House. Tangent Lantern. Here somewhere. I think the train's there.
District Line, the next train to Upminster will arrive in 2 minutes.
Okay. Tower Hill. Alright, arrive at Tower Hill Station.
Approaching is to Embankment. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Okay.
Any customer that requires a Circle Line service by Liverpool Street, King's Cross and Baker Street, please be advised that these trains are departing from platforms.
Opposite direction to me then, isn't it? Yeah, but I'm going towards
Yeah, I'm going towards Wembley way, that way.
Oh, that was a nice nice walk.
Yeah, it was quite a long walk as well.
Yeah.
My leg.
I'm probably thinking longer, do you?
Well, I might have a little drink when I get home.
Help us to keep your journey smoothly.
Yes. Yeah, and I put it on my YouTube channel. So.
Oh, right, okay.
I put a link on my YouTube channel on the Kent's comment section. So I'll be watching the one that I've done.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, go have a look. So how long have you been doing the Kent's?
This is my third one this year. So yeah, I won't long. I did a couple of years ago. I just did one in the year, which is ridiculous.
Oh, okay. Oh,
But
gosh.
I don't know when I was there.
Oh, right. I don't know which side I'm
I know I don't. It's not really.
really clear, is it? Oh.
All right, I think this is 9 o'clock.
You think so? Yeah. Okay, come on. It's mine as well, yes. I'm going to London Bridge.
Oh yeah. I'm going to Canary Wharf.
Okay, so you're before me, yes.
I didn't know what to say.
Yeah, no.
Bit confusing. What's your name?
Temple.
Please contact control. Thank you. Help us to keep your journey running safely and smoothly. Keep your belongings with you at all times. And if you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff.
Speak to staff or take 3 parking please. 61016. All sorted. See it, say it, sorted.
Chancery Lane. westbound.